Now it's time. Oh, we get to test drive it today, finally. Oh, that thing looks beautiful. Well, let's get into it. We got to talk about the Bronco today. So today, you guys get a feature on the 79 Bronco finally. And we got a brand new building at the airport with a brand new slab and nobody around. So we might as well use it. Now the Bronco isn't 100% done, but if I don't do a feature now, it could be one of those scenarios where the minute it's done, it's out of here and gone. So I better squeeze it in now. So we have a 79 Bronco. This is the same owner that owned the 70, I think it was 76 F250 with the 429. And we just did all new paint and a sunset decal package. We might as well start on the exterior. It is metallic black. That is from a brand new Ford. I think the paint code is UH. I'm not 100% sure. Don't have the can in front of me, but it is off the brand new Fords. It's the same color I did the Jimmy in. I love this color. I thought it would make the decal package really pop. And normally they do the roof in flat black, but I wanted to make sure the roof popped too. So it's all metallic as well. We did not do all new windows or everything. This isn't a full restoration. This is a driver. So it's not a body off. This is a running, driving truck that you can jump in and take four-wheeling, but I doubt you're going to do that now. The sunset decal package we got from a company in Arizona. You just order it up and it's $750 US, and they cut it for you and ship it to you. We had Graphics Enterprises in town install it. Thank you, you guys. You did an awesome job. We have a set of 35 by 1250 by 15s on old school centerline wheels. And these wheels looked like crap when they arrived. So I called up my friend Jody York, who does polishing. And he spent a ridiculous amount of time trying to bring those back to life. They were not fun at all. But they look awesome. We have mud flaps on the front. We do not have them on the rear yet, because right where the mud flap goes is right where the tailpipe is. So we're gonna have to discuss with the owner what the plan is there. He had a set of these steps sitting around in a box, bully steps. So we threw those on. We raptor lined all the frame underneath and the whole entire underneath of the body. We have a brand new Sure Step bumper. This is a universal bumper. Fits Ford, GM, Dodge. So we had to cut up the original brackets to make this fit because it's a little wider than the frame. We've done all new seals for the windy. Try and block that. We've done all new seals for the canopy, the window, all the doors, all new trim. It is beautiful. We were hoping to get a new grill assembly. They are back ordered. Can't get them right now. And because this thing has a 3-inch body lift, we would like the front bumper up, but it looks like one of the only ways you can do that is to actually cut the frame off, raise it, and then weld it back on. And we definitely don't want to do that to a truck like this. So there's a possibility the body lift is coming out and getting a lift kit, getting a suspension lift. we shall see. We did a brand new dash pad, new windshield, and we're just putting the dash back together. The windshield originally had a chrome piece in it, and the glass shops are having a horrible time with these style of windshields, trying to get them in. It takes 3 guys to get them in, and they really don't like doing it. And I made the decision to go with an all-black gasket because we were originally going with black bumpers was the plan later on, but not available. You can't get the bumpers in bare metal. They only come in chrome, and it's quite a process trying to get that chrome off. Sandblasters will not do it in town. So we opted to just stick with the chrome for now, and he's going to drive it for the rest of the summer, and we'll alter it as he goes. We have a little more work under the hood, not much to do, and we have some polishing to do because when they put these decals on, they use these little scrapers to flatten them out, and it was so fresh in paint, clear steel and soft, so you get a little bit of scratching in there. New door panels, and he will be having the interior redone because that's what he likes to do. So I'll hook up the battery and we'll go for a spin. So I believe this is a 400, 351, 400, not sure which it is, but it runs really good. It is just an awesome driver. Everything about it is spectacular. The brakes are awesome, the suspension rides really nice. If you ever get the chance to drive a Bronco of this era, I highly recommend it. They are so nice to drive. Like, they actually handle really nice. I'm surprised, even with the 35s. The steering is so easy, the suspension is nice and soft. It soaks up the bumps really well. Oh, throwing rocks already. Good thing we got mud flaps on. I could definitely daily drive something like this. It's the kind of vehicle you won't be able to get away from people with. If you pull up to the gas pump, people will surround us. It's Canada Day today, by the way. There's nobody around. It's got, I'd say, fairly quiet exhaust. It's not loud in any way, but it's there. If you're just idling along, you can actually talk to the passenger. It's absolutely awesome. This is one of those vehicles I've always wanted to own and always wanted to build a black one. I never expected I'd get to do a decal kit like this. I've never seen one in real life. It's just awesome. Love it. Another one getting ready to leave. Yeehaw. If you watched the video to the end, I guess I forgot to open the hood. So thanks for watching all the way. But like I said, it's stock. It's got a carb, aluminum manifold. Still got factory exhaust manifolds. It's got an aluminum radiator with electric fans. Other than that, it's stock. Thanks for hanging in there till the ending. I forgot.